Hello, my name is Antonio. In this video, I will show a very brief example of how to stream data from Binance and also how to insert that data into MySQL database in real time. So I am doing this using Python programming. So I will import WebSocket and JSON, and also I will import my SQL connector in order to perform the connection to my SQL database. Of course, I need the host, the name, the user, the password, and the database, which I've already saved into another py file, which is called config. I have this function which is called onMessage, and so here you see that I am using JSON and the method loads, and this corresponds to the stream at the moment, which is obtained at the moment. And so in order to get what I want to insert is the open, high, close, and volume of the symbol. So I will use this socket, which has this URL stream Binance, and here you have to input the symbol, which in my case is BTC USD, and the interval I am choosing 1 minute. So this is the socket, and then when you get a stream from that data and then you convert it to JSON, it has this key which is K, so you have to point to that particular key, and then you have to you define this into a variable which is called candle, and then you have to choose this another key which is X, and it is a Boolean value which is true or false. When it is true, it corresponds to a closed candle, and then you will get the the close, which corresponds to C, the high, which is H, the low, which is L, and the open, which is O, and the volume, which is V. And then you save that information into a list of tuples. In my case, I only have one tuple, and then I will perform the connection using connect, and then here I have to specify the user, password, and so on. Then I have to create this cursor method or instance, and then I have to define this query where it is a insert, and then you see that it has the information, or these 5 values corresponding to the previously defined open, high, low, and close, and volume also. And then I will execute many, and then commit. This is going to perform the insertion or the insert of the data. So I already mentioned the socket and the parameters, what you need to insert into this, the symbol and the interval. And so you have to run, or you have to define this WebSocket app instance, specifying the socket here, the onMessage function that we defined previously, and also onClose. Here I have it is a simple print connection closed, and so I will run these commands. So, and also this one, and once you have defined the previous instance of WebSocket app, you have the method run forever, which is going to perform the streaming of prices. So I will log into my SQL database, and then I will use the database is called Binance prices, and the name of the table is called prueba, which is in Spanish. Select start from prueba, and you see that it has no information so far. And in my case, so this is the table prueba, and I am going to start the streaming. So every minute you will have it will print the candle information, and it is going to insert after that. So we have a problem here. So let me check this again. um, so so we have this. So we have BTC USD run forever, uh, and it should start, if it is working correctly, it should start printing the prices, the candle information, which I believe is going to start um, at any moment. Now we'll open this. So it might take some time because it will do that every minute. So it's about to finish. So it just streamed the, so this is the open, high, low, close, and volume. And then if I go to mysql and I run the same command, you see that it is already inserted that information here. I will wait for another observation. So it will take some time because it is running every minute. So in around 20 seconds more or less you will see the result. So and of course you can make some changes to this code if you want to run more symbols and insert more symbols at the same time. Well, this is just something very simple. So you have another observation, and if I run this, you will see the second observation already inserted into this table. So this is how it works. I hope you find this interesting, and thank you.